Hello viewers, how are you? My name is Danish Raza and I am an HSC professional. Right now I am going to discuss further safety interview questions with respect to permit to work system. The next question is what is LEL or LFL means it is the lowest concentration percentage of a gas or a vapor in an air capable of producing a flash of fire in presence of an ignition source means arc flame or heat is defined as lower explosive limit or LFL means lower flammable limits. Below this level the mixture is too lean to burn. Lean here, not less, here the word must be used lean. The next question is what is UEL, upper flammable limit or up, up, upper explosive limit. Highest concentration means percentage of a gas or vapor in air capable of producing a flash of fire in presence of an ignition source means arc flame or heat. Remember, concentration higher than UFL or UEL are too rich to burn. What is flammability limit? Basically, the range between the lower explosive limit and upper explosive limit is known as the flammability limit. Means the range for that gas or liquid is flammable. The ratio of fuel and oxygen to ignite means burn varies with each combustible flammable gas or liquid. For example, in case of methane, lower explosive limit is 5% by volume in air and upper explosive limit is above 17% by volume in air. Means visual example to show where the scale of percentage of lower explosive limit is near. In case of methane, I have discussed 5% by volume in air and upper explosive limit is 17% by volume in air. Mean from 0 to 5% no non-explosive limit is present. Mean it is too lean to burn. Range it is means it is able to burn, and from 17 to 100% it is also non-explosive limit because of too rich to burn. Let's start to understand the lower explosive limit from 0 to 5% as mentioned in the diagram. Let's consider 0 to 5% for lower explosive limit 0 to 100% means 5% means 100% of LEL and half of the LEL means 2.5% of means for half of 5% means 2.5% of methane is considered as half of LEL or 50% of LEL means 2.5% by volume in air. Also here are LEL and UE like acetylene, benzene, carbon monoxide, ethane, ethylene oxide, hydrogen, hydrogen sulfide, methane and propane. The next question is what is ppm means parts per million. Basically it is unit of concentration commonly used as measuring of small levels of something, pollutants in air, water, body fluids, etc. And 1 ppm is one part of 1 million part. The the common unit is a milligram per liter is equal to ppm means 4 drops of ink in 55 gallons of barrel means 208 liters of water would produce an ink concentration of 1 ppm, 1 parts per million. Next question is, what does percent mean? Percent or percent means out of 100 by a specified amount, in or for every 100. In mathematics, a percentage is a number or ratio expressed as fraction of 100. It is often denoted using the percent sign or the abbreviation PCT or PC. The next question is, what is different between percent and ppm? Basically, there is fundamental difference between the percentage and ppm calculations. That is based on base each of these that is the base each of these calculation. Means the percent uses base of 100 and ppm uses base of million. Means ppm is used measuring small amount in million parts, and that is a part in 100 parts. That's it. Hope you have understand the conceptual headline answers for interview questions with respect to occupational health and safety. Feel free to contact in case of any query. Thank you.